Welcome to this episode of Turner's Journey, which I think is episode 16. Now, if you remember last week, I was taking Monday off, which was a couple of days ago, to go and see my daughter and pick up Natalyia from the airport. And then yesterday, I had a super one-to-one lesson with a lovely chap called Ed, who had come over from the Isle of Wight. And we went through his production process of turning wooden fruit for craft markets over there on the island. Now today, being Wednesday, I'm expecting a big delivery of the book. I've got a whole load of pre-orders from my website and also Yandles to get sorted out, which is going to be quite a big job. And the way I do it is I've obviously got all of the orders on the computer over here, but I print off all of the orders so I know who to sign them to, and I don't get them all mixed up. And then obviously when I print the shipping labels, I've just got to match up the names after that. So that's this morning's job before the books arrive. Right towards the end of the day, I've had a delivery of 28 boxes of books, which means tomorrow my job is to start signing all of those books that have been pre-ordered and also put it onto general release from my website. So if you have ordered a copy of Woodturning Form and Formula, you should have received it by now. If not, then obviously please let me know. So wish me luck. My writing hand is probably going to get a little bit cramped. Well, it's Saturday now, and it's all been a bit of a busy week. I haven't been able to. Well, it's not that I haven't been able to do a lot in the way of filming, but I've basically just been signing books pretty much every day after all the pre-orders and stuff arrived. And that's all I've been doing, really, so there's not an awful amount to see. So today, now being Saturday, I'm in the workshop. I've got a one-day experience class running today, and there are 5 new students coming, which I'm really looking forward to. I believe it's, from memory at least, 3 ladies, 2 chaps, which will be nice. We don't often, well, we do quite often get ladies coming to turn, but it's always nice when they do, because the wood turning world needs more lady turners, definitely. What else? Leslie's been really busy getting ready for Wizardry in Wood. Natalya's back, as you know, from her trip home to see her mum. And that's about it. It hasn't been a particularly riveting or exciting week, to be honest. Yeah, so we're coming up to the really busy part of the year where we've got shows to attend. Of course, in a couple of weeks' time, I've got the Yandles book signing event. That's going to be exciting. And then after that, we've got the Surrey show. And we've got youth training coming up as well, but I won't be filming that for obvious reasons. And then there's Harrogate as well. We've got the Harrogate show coming up. I'm going to be doing some demonstrations. Well, I'm going to be doing one demonstration a day on Emma Cook's stand, because she needs a break and I'm going to be there anyway. So I'll be doing a demonstration on Emma's stand on both days of Harrogate, as well as doing some book signing and stuff. This lathe is a little bit high at the moment. I had a guy in the other day who's like 6'4", and this lathe needed to be raised up, so I'm going to have to lower that down. So after the excitement of yesterday's one-day experience class, I'm back in the workshop today for a Sunday studio session with just 2 students coming to turn a box out of one of these rather nice blanks from Dalman Timber. So today there's just 2 students. Now these days are a little bit more advanced than the other classes, so I just keep it to 2 people so I can spend a little bit more time with each of them, making sure that we absolutely nail their tool presentation and the technique, and just make sure that they go home with the most gorgeous box. I also do a bowl turning one and a couple of others as well. So I'm looking forward to that. I've been up here since about 8:30, just getting ready. I've also had a few new book orders that need to be signed too, and Natalyia is here just helping me out, clearing some stuff from the Hampshire sheen shed. So, box day it is. So all my days are getting a little bit mixed up now. Today's Tuesday, so I should be into episode 18 of Turner's Journey, but to be honest, I'm a bit on the tired side, or I was a bit on the tired side on Sunday. I couldn't get any filming done on Sunday as all my attention was with my 2 students. So I'm going to end the episode here. It's a little bit abrupt, so I do apologise for that. And thank you very much indeed for watching. It is a short episode, so I am sorry for that. Next week, though, is a little bit busier. I need to make a video to promote the book for a paid advert for the book. A couple of other bits. I've got a 2-day class running, and I'm driving to Wales for an all-day demo next Saturday. So thank you very much indeed for watching. I'll look forward to seeing you next week for another edition of Turner's Journey. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.